Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn autoplay previews on or off on Netflix. So, when you watch click on a certain shows or movies on Netflix, it will show you the preview of the movies or show, and I'm going to show you how to turn it on or off. So the first thing is on it, you need to open the Netflix app, and then at the home screen click on the your profile at the top, and then click on manage profiles and select the profile that you want to edit. And here at the bottom you can see autoplay previews. If you want to turn it off, just click on this and until it turns to gray, but if you want to turn it on, just click on this until it turns to blue. So when you're done, just go back. Okay, so just like that, that is how the tutorial on how to turn autoplay previews on or off on Netflix. I think that's all for me. If you think the video is helpful, don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye bye.